Okay, I bought the electric silicone grease. It is highly waterproof and sealing protection with good lubrication, also anti-oxidation and anti-corrosion to prevent all kinds of leakage or damage around any electric connection or rings, spare plug parts, and in your car, hands. Great for use in an automobile, which in my case, electrical connector and battery terminal, spark plug, using and all other electrical connection. I use in my gauge tool to prevent any leak. NSP approved good free silicone grease, not toxic and colorless. It's a very useful. You see, it's strapper. I totally recommend. It's not toxic. You can use without glove. It's good. You can use it on ring. I use a ring to my gauge. Okay, you see, I use in all my tools. If I very